Benefits of carob. While we don't see much of the carob in the West, it has been popular in the Mediterranean and the Middle East for hundreds of years. The cabs are considered to be in the same family as peas, but is not usually eaten like peas. Some people eat the seeds, but is most often grounded and used as a type of flour. In this article, we will discuss the health benefits of carob in its flour form, but these benefits can also be related to carob in any form, high in fiber. Everyone needs some fiber in their diet, and it's really easy to get enough fiber if you eat bakery made out of carob flour. 1 cup of carob flour contains over 100% of your daily value of fiber. Fiber is important because it helps to regulate your digestive system, making it run more smoothly, which will make your stomach feel better in the long run. A good source of protein. 1 serving of carob flour has about 10% of your daily protein value. It is not easy to find high protein foods that are not made of meat. If you are a vegetarian or vegan, then it is important to know about other sources of high protein food. Low in fat. Carob flour is low in fat, containing only 1% of your daily value of fat. Less than a quarter of the fat in the carob flour is saturated or bad fat. This can make sure that your blood pressure levels do not get too high. Avoiding saturated fats can even help to reduce your risk of heart attacks. Low in sodium. Carob flour is also low in sodium. 1 serving of carob flour has only 2% of your daily sodium intake. Like eating low in fat food, this can also help to reduce your risk of high blood pressure and the complications that come with it. No cholesterol. There is no cholesterol in carob flour. This can also help a big help when it comes to keeping your blood pressure level low. Cholesterol, when you have too much of it, can block arteries, which can lead to further cardiovascular problems. Eating low or no cholesterol foods like carob flour can help to avoid these complications.